Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit the message you have sent on Telegram desktop or Telegram PC. Okay, first of all, let's just open our Telegram application on our PC or laptop. This is my Telegram application. Okay, and after the Telegram application opened, we can select a message we want to edit. And for example, I'm going to open my message on this chat and I'm going to write a message first. And let's say that we got typo on this message. So if you want to edit this message, you just need to right click on your touchpad or mouse. Then you can simply click on edit. Then here we can edit our message like this. Then you can click on this check mark button after you're done editing your message. Okay, and now as you can see that the message has been edited, and that's how we can edit message on Telegram for desktop or PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.